Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a group and add members in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features you'll need for managing contacts and groups. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the bottom left part of your screen. You'll notice 4 different icons arranged vertically. Look for the icon that shows 2 people, which represents your contacts menu. Click on this icon to open your contacts section. This is where you'll be able to view, organize, and manage all your saved contacts and groups. Now that your contacts menu is open, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, you'll want to click on the option labeled New Contact Group. This will open a new window specifically designed for creating and customizing contact groups. A contact group is essentially a collection of email addresses that you can message all at once, making it perfect for team communications, project updates, or any situation where you need to reach multiple people regularly. In the new contact group window that appears, start by entering a name for your group in the designated field. Choose something clear and descriptive that will help you identify the purpose of this group later on. Next, look for the Add Members drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll see 3 different methods for adding members to your group. These options allow you to select which source your contacts will originate from. You can choose between Outlook contacts if you're adding people already saved in your contact list, address book if you're pulling from a broader company directory, or you can create a new email contact if you need to add someone who isn't currently in your system. Select the option that works best for your needs and begin adding the members you want in your group. Once you've finished adding all your members and you're satisfied with your group setup, click on the Save and Close button located on the top left part of your screen. This will finalize your contact group and save it to your Outlook contacts, making it ready to use whenever you need to send emails to the entire group. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact group in Outlook, making it much easier to communicate with multiple people at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.